Hi, Daddy. Okay, I'm gonna take a video of the terrace, sabi mo, diba? So, okay. I'm gonna go upstairs and, how do I open this? One second, I'm scared to go up. My God. So, may ilaw dito. There you go. Ito yung taas. So, actually, hindi pa siya tapos. There you go. Ayan na yung ano and everything. So, saan ka namin? Sabi mo, color yellow, right? Hindi pala. Hindi pala. Ikaw pa nagsasahan ko. So, there. There you go. Ayan yung mga spotlight. White na lang ginawang spotlight kasi si Mami nagtitipid. So there, that's the stairs going there. I don't know kung basa pa yung pintura or something. We're gonna try to go up. Okay. Here. There you go. Here's the terrace. Kung lang kung makikita mo kasi medyo madilim eh. So, ganyan siya. Ayan. How do you open the lamps and everything? So, ayan, oh my God, it's kind of raining. So, from here, you'll see that there, wet. So, malaki yung terrace actually, ayan o. Ayan na yung tangke. Hindi ko lang alam kung nakikita mo buti. Hindi ko alam how do I open the lights from here eh. So, ayan, ganyan lang, ayan. Ayan, malaking terrace. So, ayan na yung sliding. You see, from here, you'll see inside the room. There's the sliding. You see there, yan. So, yan yung door. Pababa. And then there. Ayan. Mahaba siya actually. Ayan. So, mga outlet. So, ayan. So, mahaba siya actually. Mahaba yung terrace. Yan yung mga kalat kasi nandito pa eh. Ayan, pag ganyan. So, ayun yung mga lights. Nilagay yung mga parang ganyan. Ayan. Marami yan. From there. So, mahaba yung terrace actually. Tapos, ayun yung mga tangke. So, it's good pag magpa-party ka or something.